Hi guys. So welcome to another episode of Thrifty Shopping Cart. What you're looking at right now is a beautiful loft dress that I sold on Poshmark. So today I'm going to share with you how I pack my orders for Poshmark. So it's a clear poly bag. It's 10 by 13. And what I'm doing right now is just basically getting the bag ready. So I don't have the heated bags, but I do use clear basic tape. I just cut, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just cut like a piece off. And what I do is I just tape the end of the plastic poly bag and I just press down firmly just to remove any air bubbles. It's nice and folded, it's already been ironed, it's already been steamed. So now I'm ready to pack this up for my lovely customer. Right now I'm just trying to get the gray poly bag. So this one's a larger one. It's a 12 by 15. And see. And I also have a plain, nice little tissue paper I bought at the Dollar Tree. It's like a leopard print. And what I do is I just fold it in half and just wait out when my customer opens it. It's a nice little gift. That's why I really like Poshmark. Not all the time I use tissue paper for my product. I'm just going to switch it the other way just when they open it. But it does make it a little bit presentable. But if it's already in a poly bag, that's already you already did the extra step. So what I'm going to do again is just get another piece of tape and I'm just going to cut it in half. And I'm just going to tape the edge. Actually, I'm going to tape the middle of the tissue paper. And I'm not really the best person at folded presents. I always had a hard time with tissue paper, so I try to be as neat as possible. What I'm going to do is just fold the two ends, and I'm going to fold it again to give myself like a double lap. And I'm going to do that the same way I did it on the top, same way at the bottom. Just fold it again just to give it more of a double lap. And just fold it nice and firm. And I'm still looking for tape. I just had it, but as you guys could see, it fell in the background. And yeah, so there it is. Actually, I found the bow. So great. So now, you don't have to use a bow. I have seen people use string bows, but I like to use a bow because I had a whole bunch I bought at Goodwill, like at least 2 years ago. I had over 100 of them, so it's just a way of me getting rid of them, but you don't have to go out and buy them. I see people use like the strings and they do cute little bows. That one is very challenging for me. I do prefer the bow. It's much easier. So what I'm still doing, I'm still cutting out a piece of tape and I am going to basically tape the edge of my tissue paper so it could be nice and neat when my customer receives their item. And I'm just going to cut it in two pieces so you guys can see. And I'm over there struggling for life with the tape. It gets on everything. Okay, so I'm just going to fold again 2 laps. And I'm just going to take my tape and just tape it right on there. And I'm going to do the same thing I did in the bottom, same thing we're doing top. Just fold it again, 2 laps. Tape it right down. Make sure it's nice and firm. And again, I'm struggling for life there, guys. Get a whole bunch of stuff stuck to my tape. And it is really annoying. Alright, so now it looks nice and neat. And I'm just going to again press down firmly. And I'm going to get my bow ready. So I'm just going to remove the adhesive in the back. And I'm just going to press it down again. And this is exactly what it looks like, guys. Nice and neat. So when my customer gets it, they'll open it. And the other thing too is you always want to put a thank you card. That's not necessary. I am going to be getting other thank you cards, but this one I purchased it at the Dollar Tree. It's plain. You just put your customer's name on it and you just ship it out to them. Just show gratitude. I always show gratitude to all my customers who buy things on whether it's Poshmark or eBay or Amazon. Just some form of gratitude goes a long way. It really does make a difference. Again, I'm just taking my poly bag and I'm just going to slip that right in there. And the bow is going to get squished. You know, there's no other way unless if I put it in a box, but a box is going to cost you a little extra. So great. As you guys could see, I forgot to put the card inside the poly bag, but not to worry. Since my poly bag is so big, I was able to double fold it. I'm going to slip it right in between the fold, and I'm just going to tape the edges so that way it doesn't fall over. So I'm just going to get another piece of tape. And again, struggling for life with the tape, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to peel it out, and there we go. So I peel it right out, and I am just going to tape it. Try to get another piece of tape, and there we go. Okay, so I am sorry guys that you didn't see more, but over here you're just looking at my labels for mailing and then also my logo. And like I said, I always say a thank you to my customers, so it's actually upside down. That's what you're looking at right now in the picture. So if you like this video guys, please give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and again, thank you so much for watching these videos. Bye bye.